Hi, I'm Hadas from Canva. Welcome to my channel and to the Canva Snacks, a series of bite-sized tutorials in less than 5 minutes to teach you how to use Canva at its best. Please subscribe so you'll get notified every time a Canva snack is uploaded to the channel, and you're most welcome to also join my Facebook community called Canva. Although in Hebrew, you can easily translate and enjoy free tips, tricks, and lots of inspiration. So, are you ready? Let's go! So you have this design and you want to crop the photos. How do you do that? Well, you have two ways to do so. The first option would be to double click on the photo that you want to crop. For example, this photo of the coffee mug. Once I do that, I can see the photo in its full, which means I can move it around so only parts of it will be shown. Once I'm happy with that, I have to go up here to the done or cancel icon and pick the one I want. So I'm going to click on done, and then you can see that my photo was actually kind of cropped. Now if I want to resize this, let's double click again, I can just stretch this and resize it by one of the corners and make it really bigger. And then I'll just move it around a little bit and click on done. That's your first option. Another way to do exactly the same thing is click on your photo and go to the crop feature up here at the top white menu. Once I click on that, the same thing happens. I see the photo at its full and I can move it around and play with it. Click on done and you're done. One important thing that I'd like to point out is that you can crop your photo and make it larger, or you can move it to the sides or upwards, downwards, but you cannot decrease it. You cannot make it smaller than its original size. So just take that into consideration. Now, when you want to crop an element, let's say for example, let's say that I have a coffee element. Let's say I have this instead of the photo I had before. If I click on crop up here or double click on my element, what will happen is that my corners, my rounded corners, will turn into these edged corners, which means I can crop this in 2 dimensions. You can see I can cut it like so. I decide which direction to go. Once I'm done, I click on done and my element is cropped. So it works a little different whether it's elements or photos, but that's how you do it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the snack. Now, if you don't own a Pro account and you'd like to give it a try, I will be very happy to give you 45 days to try out Canva Pro for free. No strings attached. You'll find the link in the comments below. I'll see you all next time. Bye.